Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about getting and using energy. What you see in front of you, and you should have this as well, is your notes page. So, as you're listening to this, you're going to be going back and forth and filling this out, on the computer, this notes page. The objective for today is that it says, I will create a model to describe that energy in animals' food was once energy from the sun, and how animals use that energy. So where it says background knowledge, that's what we should know. If you remember, we started this unit a couple of weeks ago. All living things, of course, need energy in order to survive. Energy is vital. Where do we get that energy? We get it from the foods that we eat. Food provides animals, of course, with the materials they need for body repair, growth, body warmth, and of course, movement. All of these require food. Let's look at some examples. How a cat uses its energy. Well, you might think, gee, what does a cat do? Well, cats use energy to grow from a kitten to an adult. So we could say cats use energy so they use it to grow from a kitten to an adult, just like we do. Well, how does a cat use energy for body repair? Well, sometimes cats get in fights and we know they heal. That happens. I know my cat does. But cats also use energy, for example, to heal after they are declawed. So we can say they use energy. So we can say cats use energy to heal after being declawed. All right, how about movement? Well, if you know my cat is an avid hunter. And she really conserves a lot of energy. She sleeps during the day, she goes out at night, she does a lot of hunting then. But, some more basic things. So cats use energy to jump. Our cat jumps from, our furniture, and she jumps up at the dog, and she chases the dog, and the dog chases her. So definitely movement is a big part. And also body warmth. Maybe you have a cat like ours, but do you ever notice that your cat a lot of times will curl up in a ball, and they'll stay in that ball during the wintertime quite a lot? They're conserving energy. So cats use energy to stay warm when they curl into a ball. I'm just going to say when curled up. So if you think about it, we all animals, every single one has to go through these same things. Our body needs to be repaired. Sometimes we get a cold, and our body is going to need energy to repair from that cold. Growth. You're growing every day. You're still growing, and you're going to continue to grow. And without food, that would not be possible. Body warmth, very essential, that you have food, because that allows your body to be able to create the warmth, keep you warm during the wintertime. And for movement, we all know that, there's days when we have no energy. And sometimes it can be attributed to the food that we eat or the lack of food that we have. So these are the main reasons that we need, food, for body repair, for growth, for warmth, and for movement. What we'd like you to do now is go to the next page, and that is going to be your assignment for today.